And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
6:43 here on this Monday morning across the valley, and temperatures are running mostly in the 40s right now. It's a cool morning, 49 in Weslaco, 49 in Harlingen, 43 in Rio Grande City, but we'll be back easily, I think, into the low 70s most of this afternoon. But wind speeds are very light or calm, about 3 miles per hour or less everywhere. So a pretty nice, tranquil morning out there. Humidity is low. Skies still have some high clouds coming through, and those high clouds will be off and on today, so some sun will continue to filter through. Temperatures go from the upper 40s to near 58 a.m. through the 60s to lower 70s later this afternoon with partly sunny skies and, again, some patches of high clouds, but too high and too thin to cause any rain. So highs today overall range from near 70 to maybe the low 70s, depending on which areas get the most sunshine, but pretty nice all around today. Temperatures may reach the upper 60s right at the coast because water temperatures there are still near 60 degrees. Again, some patches of high clouds coming through, but nothing that's super thick anywhere. There are a couple sprinkles trying to form near Laredo, but the air below the clouds is still very dry, and that will probably cause any sprinkles to evaporate before ever reaching the ground. But there are little patches of thicker clouds right there coming in Zapata County as well. So again, some patches of clouds at times today, but the air dry and the wind's very light overall. We go farther to the north, and there are some sprinkles and showers near El Paso, but nothing very heavy. And if you are traveling next few days, getting ready for Christmas coming up, generally the weather looks very quiet around Texas. Future track does show at 8 a.m. some patches of clouds filtering through the sky here, but you know, even though it shows all gray on the map, these clouds are still thin enough to allow some sunshine to get through. And then off and on today, some clouds roll in, but most of the day looking pretty quiet and somewhat bright. By the time we get to late tonight, we could see a few patches of fog by tomorrow morning, but I think just spots of fog briefly as the wind flow comes back in from the east. But you notice Future Track has thicker clouds tomorrow, even tries to show a couple sprinkles around. I think there's only about a 10% chance, all 10%, woohoo, of a sprinkle tomorrow, but maybe a couple drops able to fall if the clouds do thicken up more on Tuesday. By the time we get to Tuesday night, things look very quiet, and Wednesday, you may see some patches of clouds early in the morning, but I think we will break out into some sunshine later in the morning. And most of Wednesday looks very bright with sunshine most of the day, and temperatures still back in the 70s for highs, and even more sunshine for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Although there is a cold front coming through on Thursday, it could drop temperatures a little bit and kind of whip up the winds on Thursday during the day. But 71 today, partly sunny skies. The humidity stays down. The winds northwesterly or westerly this morning, but becoming more east this afternoon at only 5 to 10 miles per hour later this afternoon. By tonight, temperatures drop down to around 52 degrees. Still some high clouds, but dry weather overnight. And there may be some patches of fog late tonight and near sunrise tomorrow. First 1570 forecast, we have almost no chance for rain. Didn't even write it in there, but you just saw on Future Track maybe a sprinkle or two on Tuesday, but nearly every place looks dry. We'll just see maybe thicker clouds on Tuesday. By Wednesday, those clouds break up, highs near 78 with sunshine, and then a cold front comes through on Thursday, but not a strong front. It will drop the temperatures a bit, especially at night as the air dries out, but highs still near 73 on Thursday, and the winds may be a little gusty at times, especially along the coast on Thursday when that front passes. By Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, still mainly sunny skies coming back. There may be some patches of high clouds again later in the weekend, but fairly nice temperatures. Highs stay mainly in the 70s, lows back in the 50s later in the weekend, and dry weather. We'll keep tracking the nice week of weather ahead in your First Warn 5 forecast.